In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files to add an audio one and locate it by tapping on one of those apps, selecting Audio at the top or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, click on it to attach it and wait. To add a video one though, you need to click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and look for your video here. Click on it to attach it. If you can't find it, you can select this icon of a folder at the bottom right corner, look for your video here and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!